Good morning, everybody. It's Renee from Rat Stash, and I'm coming to you with a little fun thing that we did for our son for Christmas. Yes, it's March. We didn't get to see our son this Christmas, but we're seeing him today, so we're giving it to him today, and I'm showing it to you now because I didn't want to ruin the surprise. So we have older children. They're all out on their own. And our son, our oldest son, he lives in a big city. So his apartment is super, super small. And I asked him what he would like for Christmas. And of course, you know, the thing is money, what money. He said to me, he goes, you know what? I actually want quarters. He goes, Mom, I actually want quarters. And I said, quarters? And he's like, yeah. He goes, I never have quarters and I always have to do wash and I never have quarters. So I was like, okay, whatever. And I'm like, I walked away going, I'm not giving him quarters, but I'm giving him quarters. So what we did is we got a tumbler bottle, water bottle, okay? And we filled it with quarters. We counted it out last night. There is $100 of quarters in here. So there's enough wash in here for him to do for at least a year, if not more. And we put it in a plastic tumbler bottle that we got at Aldi's. But the fun thing is I put this on the front. Can you read it? I think that would be a funny thing for him. So it says, I'm feeling a little dirty. Will you do me? Love the laundry. So it is plastic, so he can carry it around. Won't break. Nice, tall, slim. It'll fit in his super small apartment. So there's a tip. So if your kids ask for money, give it to them in a fun way.